Morning Christmas Day. Under that tree was a small guitar. I learned how to play. Mom and Dad, you think that I'll go far. High school spent all day playing with some friends for lunch and break. My voice wasn't great, so I played alone when it was late. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. Morning Christmas Day. Under that tree was a small guitar. I learned how to play. Mom and Dad, you think that I'll go far. High school spent all day playing with some friends for lunch and break. My voice wasn't great, so I played alone when it was late. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. day. Under that tree was a small guitar. I learned how to play. Mom and Dad, you think that I'll go far. High school spent all day, playing with some friends for lunch and break. My voice wasn't great, so I played alone when it was late. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far. Morning Christmas Day. Under that tree was a small guitar. I learned how to play. Mom and Dad, you think that I'll go far. High school spent all day, playing with some friends for lunch and break. My voice wasn't great, so I played alone when it was late. Weeks until I'm 20, how the world has never looked so big. Taking all this humble now, it teaches you to make it bigger. Young I was in 7th grade and wanted just to be a star. Never have I been afraid of chasing anything so far.